All right. It's getting close to about that time, 8 o'clock, when we like to look at price. We've been waiting for our setup here. Remember, 7:45 is when I think the dollar opens up too sometimes on the weekdays at 7:45. Let's play some little music here. So as you can see here, this was a clean potential setup right here. And we had this big FOMC push-up, which I was anticipating. We talked about that, I think, a couple days ago. Taking out sell side down here, pushing up into the range here. Keep in mind, higher time frame, 4 hour, right? We're still stuck in the range. Don't forget, we're stuck from here to here, stuck in this range. Don't forget that. I would love to see a failure swing, like take out this high here. Failure swing like right here, and then August just blah, puke vomit. Or it could even like failure swing here, come down, up, take this high, and then go. Whichever. I'm open to either outcome. But let's go back down to my desired time frame, 15-minute here. We got 3 minutes till 8 o'clock open here. All right, so to me, it looks like this thing at least wants to come up here and take out this previous 4-hour high. But like this blue line, 50% of the range, I think, right? No, that's from here to here. What's from here to here? So like around right here, 130. I would like price potentially come down to touch this down here, just 33 area, not close below here, right? So if I wanted to enter, let's say off of like a prelim entry, like a preliminary entry, like a limit order, like right here, maybe this 135 area down here to go long. And my stop, I probably would want to be, let's see, what is this, 1800 open price. And honestly, I wouldn't even want us to get down to open price, but if I'm going to enter here, 35, 26, almost like a $10 stop or something like that. What does that mean? So I don't really want to risk that much. So I'll go 5 micros maybe for this trade. I really like that entry. Let me make sure I'm on the right one here. Nope. So we'll go like 5 micros here, I think. Just like a prelim entry here. I'm bullish as all get out for today at least. We'll go 5, 85. 5. We'll set a limit down here at this level. So what we want to see down here somewhere is a 15-minute swing, right? We don't really have one, right? The last one we have is down here at the open price. So now we just have to wait and see. Really just a waiting game, honestly. Patience and patience and patience. Let's go stop a little bit below, a little open here. I'm gonna sell stop here. Make sure we're linked up here. Yeah, we're linked up here. I may have to cut this live short too because the kids may come running and going crazy and all that good stuff. So we'll see. The 8 o'clock opened up here. This down close candle could have been the buy. It's nice big down close here. But I'll wait. I like to wait for this 8 o'clock candle to prayer. I sometimes get in trouble trying to enter right like before 8 o'clock. But then again, this right here could have been the buy. We're not rushing it though. I like to enter between 8 and 10 o'clock. By the way, I cannot see the chat, by the way. Cannot see the chat. I haven't figured that out yet. If you know how, let me know. Streaming through Streamlabs on iOS, so I'm not sure if I can or not. Let's see. By the time I do drop down to the lower time frame, wow, look at this. We don't even have any 5-minute swing lows here besides this down here. I don't know. You have to wait. This entry might be premature. We'll see. See what we got here. This little area right here is the only area that should and could hold our price, right? We could come and wick down here a little bit into this little gap here. I might wait and see. Oopsie. I might kind of wait and see here if we look into that gap. See what price does. Let me cancel this out here. Or if I was to enter here, let's enter like a 2 micro or something like that. Some slight, not too crazy. Just to get our feet wet. Because I like the entry placement for sure. Really do. I like the entry placement right here. The only thing is there's nothing in this area to sweep besides this 130 area. On this 5-minute time frame, so I could come and sweep that. But we're getting in light. Better stop below the 1800. Let's see. Yeah, we can discuss the trade we saw in New York. This was beautiful right here. I didn't have a chance to go live. The kids was going crazy, but this price action was pretty choppy. But the 2 windows, this window and this window, is what I trade. Beautiful trade set up here. 845 prints low, 945 prints lower. As you can see here, we closed above 50% of the move here, which I don't really like to see to go continuation. So I waited. This thing pushed up here. Whoop. It tipped his hand here at 930. This was our entry here, down close candle. Entry at 84, stop below here, 80, 79, somewhere around there. And boop, gave us our 10 points. I got out like around here, went to sleep, woke up and saw this beauty right here. 9 o'clock, tipped his hand, or I'm sorry, 8 o'clock, tipped his hand, dumped down. Entry here, 830, closing price. Took some heat. Stop was above here. I didn't want to see this gap touch here. As you can see, if this gap gets touched, we get this is an invalid short here. As you can see, look, we touched the gap here, small reaction, and boom, blast right through it. So The trade for the New York session here. This 10 o'clock candle took previous 4-hour low. Wait for an up close candle above this opening price. We get it here. First down close candle happens to touch this candle here as well. We have 3 of them. So consolidation. And boom, took off to TP. Nice continuation entry here. And here, if you were late, down close candles. Let's see what we got down to here. All right, we're still coming down nicely. Look on the hourly time frame here. All right, we got down close hourly. How deep do we go below this is a question. How deep do we go below this is the question. You see, like we still have to make swing points here on the 5-minute, which we potentially are making one right here. All right, so we just gotta wait and see. Wait and see. Hardest part about trading: patience, 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 patience. Waiting for the ultimate clarity of a setup. This right here would have been entry number 1 if I trade during this time, but I don't. Try to stick to my time. You usually get in trouble by not sticking to it. But yeah, if you want to look at lower time frames, I'm not going to be your guy. So I like 15-minute, 5-minute. I'll occasionally look at the 1-minute, but I don't really use it for anything. If nothing happens, and the kids come home, I'm just gonna shut the live down and just see what price does on another day. I went out for a walk. All right, so let's see if this up close candle gets disrespected here. Come down to this little cluster price. Which way we have our entry. Potentially making a 15-minute swing point. Potentially, we'll see. Nothing confirmed. Nothing confirmed. I think we probably open up and go lower here, is my guess. If this thing closes up close, boop, go lower here. Come down, touch this. Just waiting, 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 waiting. Not much happening right now. Just vibe out to the music. Vibe out. Here we go. There we go. As suspected, that 5-minute candle closed, right? Close up close. Yep, nice disrespect. Beautiful. I could be trading that, but that's not what I'm looking for here. I wonder if we have to take out and some internal liquidity right here. Whew. Before wanting to go higher here. All right, first time touching this, or second time touching this little 5-minute gap here. Remember, this is going to be our candle here. This is going to be our candle here. Let's see if we want to respect price in this area. Preliminary entry here. Coming down to a potential untouched gap down here, maybe. We'll see. It might save it for later. Hey. Whoa, what are we doing here, huh? Okay. 8 o'clock opens here. We just come down, took this slow swing low on the 5 within this 15-minute here. We still have a nice down close 15-minute candles here, so we still have to wait here. This will be a potential entry, right? But I mean, your stop will need to be like way down here, bottom of this low, right? So, but I want to wait to see what this 8:15 candle does. I want to see where price is at 8:30. And for price sakes, you can do the math. 2 ticks, micros, or ticks on micros, right? Each tick is $2, right? Each tick is $2. Vice versa, right? 5 micros, each tick is $5. Nice, strong bearish candle here. Nice. Get down to this area here. I know you want to get down to the box. Get down to the box, please, my friend. So now probably what I would like to see, right? If we get down to this box, that would be ideal. But this could have been the entry, and if I missed it, that's fine. But I would prefer us get down to the box, right? At least tag me in here, and then push up, close above all of this here, which will really tip his hand. Close up above this 150 area. Come down, down close here. Probably would like to add to the position here to push up and take previous forward high, and start to make our way into this area here, this 235 area. That's where I would like to see price go here. Let me take a look here. Come on, touch the box here. We all know you want to touch the box. Touch the box here. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it doesn't want to touch the box here. That's fine. So interest should have been like right here, 138.8 here, if that's the case. But I'm waiting for clarity. But again, this is a prelim entry. This isn't like the official, my official trading strategy here. It's kind of a prelim. I'm gonna get in a little bit early because what I want to see is this respect here, this box. Push up, take, close above this. But the thing is that like if we push below all of this here, especially open price, like then I'll be looking for a short here, probably. Boop. But it needed to create an area to respect, and this is that area right here. This is this potential area to respect, to push up and take previous forward high. I mean, even the 5 minute was there. Yeah, we didn't even come down and touch this right here. What is this, 815 candle or 1815 candle? Here we go. Push down. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Take your time. Preferably get down there before 8:30. Nice tight range, top of the range. Here we go, nice tight, here we go. Not much happening. Again, we already went over the trades from New York before FOMC move. As you can see, FOMC for gold isn't like the indices usually, right? It's not like we manipulate the area and then go the other way. It's like it's really directional, right? Like so the setup played out clean there right before 2 o'clock. So nice. Looks like we're getting down to the box. Getting down to the box. Let's put the entry at the top of the box here, just for shits and giggles. Entry at the top of the box. Get in the box. Touch the box. I know you want to touch the box. Let's look at the big boy contracts. It's the same box. Or is it already in the box? There we go. Just got tagged in first order here. Touch the box. Let's see what we do here. Now we could have like a explosive push here potentially. Alright, so we're in the box here. Now we want to see price come. protection than this box. Not completely wrong about the pre-lam entry. That's why we went pretty light to my girls. 2 times 22, $44. $44. This area right here gets like right later. If we close below here, we might have to just probably close this out, take the L, because then we might want to like go down, up, and then start to make our way down to sell side. These failure swings could be enough. It's not what I want to see, but it could be enough. I just know my gold. I know my gold loves to come and just like punch these people out. Boom! 235 is my area right there. That's one standard deviation of the downflows hour. Yeah, this right here. This candle right here. Might as well go from wick to wick, 248. Wick to wick on this hourly candle. So again, prelim entry. This is an early entry, not my official like my setup. This is kind of getting an early entry. It shows confirmation of bullishness here. Once it comes down, I'll add more somewhere around in this area, or maybe up here. We'll see add more, but my TP is officially getting somewhere around this area. Taking forward high. We have other targets. Plenty of other targets here. And here, take this, 202. The 200 is a good area, good even number. And now we'll have to wait and see. Have to wait and see. Have to wait and see. Again, now this candle right here, I would prefer that the body does not close below it. The body does not close below it. That would be my preference here. Does not close below it. This one preferably could close green. That'd be awesome. Close green, push up here. At 8:30 starts to make its way. Pushing up above all of this here, which would be ideal. And yep, we're just waiting to see how this is all gonna play out here. Now this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This box right here that's doing its job. It's doing its job here. That's what I like to see. Protecting price here. I probably got like another 5 to 10 minutes before the kids come home, more than likely. Oh, they're home. I may have to hop off this thing. already know. But yeah, just so before I have to go, I think I just sent this out to Twitter too. But before I have to go, let me just take it down because right now I gotta go. Profile. What we want to see for this candle right here is a closure above the wick, so not below here, but closure above here. Let's look at the 5 minute here and see what we see here. Up close candle potentially getting disrespected here. So this candle right here, you see how we close above 50% of this one here. So this one right here, we should come down probably maybe to this open price down here, but you want to see this thing kind of like bounce up and not do anything foolish like this. All right. Now this is not giving the best signs here. We need this 15-minute candle. We don't want this one to close like this red. If it does, and if we close like below 50% of this box here, which it looks like we are, might as well close out the trade, just be done and wait for some more data. Wait for some more data. Closing this box is no bueno here. We can wick down into this gap right here, but it would need to do it like in like the next 2.5 minutes. Bounce up. Because the open price is right here. And then we got the wick of open right here. Alright, so this box right here may get shut down. Again, if this box gets shut down, then I will close out this bad boy here. Come on, touch the gap and reject it in the last minute. That'd be ideal. Remember, like I was saying earlier, on this 5 minute time frame, this was our only 5 minute swing point right here. This thing right here, this is it. That's all we have. And look at what it did. Came all the way down. Is it gonna make a relative equal low? Oh wow, it is dirty. Gold is dirty sometimes. Let's see what we do. So 830 potential low of the range, we'll see. But again, we don't want to see this box here closed off. We close below this box. I'm out with whatever losses. Max loss is 14 points. That's why we went in with only a couple micros, 2 micros, getting our feet wet. Now this closure is not ideal, but we haven't closed the box off, so that's good. Oh, I prefer this thing closed up into here. But let's see how 830, if we get a nice reaction here, boom, or just poop down the toilet. So remember, for those who are watching, I cannot see this, the comment section, so sorry if you're asking some questions, but I can't see. All right, so closing in the box below 50%, not ideal, not good. Even if we go body to body, I'm pretty sure we're gonna close the body here, which is probably not gonna be good here. Let's see. So we didn't close the body off, that's good, but still not ideal closure. So what you wanna see from 830 is just this boom boner candle here from 830. Timing wise, 830 is kind of resets. everything. This is when you see your retracements. This is when you see your potential reversals. And on rare occasions, you see some hard continuations of the move that 8 o'clock has done, right? 30-minute closure, back into the range, nice. Hourly closure, nice. Oh, get up here. So for the best and most ideal trade for me is for this from here on out, from here to push up, close above this here pretty strongly, give me a down close candle somewhere in here, long, boom, take it up here. If that's not the case, if we push down hard below all of this here, like boom, I will wait for an up close candle to go short to take sell side here. So it just kind of depends. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere right now. This was a prelim anticipatory entry with very low leverage, 2 micros. Not going my full size that I normally would do, which is probably like 5 micros to a mini, depending on where my stop was. But these are some pretty big candles, so going very light here. So yeah, now it's just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. But you know, again, 9 o'clock tells the story as well. 9 o'clock has very interesting price action. All right, 8:30. We taking this out, going into this gap here, and what are we doing? What are you doing? Oh, you playing with people's feelings, ain't you, Gold? Look at that. What is it doing here? Come on, take this out. Take this out. Don't just mess around. Don't just mess around. But you see, like on the 5-minute, right, as we started to come back down to the range. See how big push up, down close, and then now you start to notice every up close candle is getting disrespected. Boom, close green, disrespect. Close green, disrespect. Close green, disrespect here until we get to a desired target, which is some sort of swing point here where we either take it or we make relative equal lows to come back to later. We could just stop here and go up, or we could take it and go up. You know, it can do whatever it wants, right? But the thing I care about most is this 15-minute closure, right? So if this candle closes below this box, then I'm just gonna have to take the L and then just reevaluate for this 9 o'clock hourly candle here. Sorry, here we go. Touch the gap here. Now let's see the reaction here. Let's see if we have a reaction here. Or do we just flush through here to open price? Because don't forget, on a 5-minute, lowest time frame I would like to go, right? We have this open order right here at 427. Man, these trades I've been in have been taking some heat. Been taking some heat. But then again, went in light, 2 micros. 5-minute time frame. Let's see, are we closing below this low here? Oh, we got a nice closure below that low there. Dangerous territory. Let's see how I want to react after that. Looking at this big move here, we pushed up, boom, closed below this here. We got up about 50%, right? I think we closed above 50%, which is no bueno if I wanted to look for shorts here. So yeah, let me measure that out real quick. Measure this out. I think we for sure closed up above 50%. Oh yeah. On every time frame, 30-minute, 1 hour, 90-minute, 1 hour. Yeah, we did. Interesting. All right, let's take this off. Too much stuff on the chart. All right, not really liking the reaction we have after touching this gap here. It's kind of lackluster here. I think I might get my 15-minute closure below here. I might get it. I might just get it. Oh yeah, look at this. I'm inside of a SIBI here on the 15-minute as well. No bueno. So as you can see, we got the 5-minute closure below the box. Sometimes kind of a early signal if you want to listen to it, but I've been wrong with the early signal, so. Boom, boom, boom. Coming down to open price here. Open price right here. 126.4. Wow. All right, made it down to open price here. Wow, what a flush here. Oh, I don't have my thing on here. My middle line. Oh, we closed right at 50%. Wow. Right at 50%. Open up 50%. Boom, boom. All right, we're at open price. Pushing hard below, and if we get this 5-minute closure below open price, oh yeah, this is a for sure goner probably. This thing is probably a for sure goner. So we got down to open price, unless this 5-minute candle does something miraculous and just like, whoop, yeah, this thing is cooked. We're ready to close this thing out. This 5-minute candle needs to push up and get back in this box here. So right now, as you can see, it's setting up all these like boom, up close, down here. So watch, if we have an up close here, push up here, back up into this box somewhere. And boom, then yeah, bye-bye. But if this thing now begins to like push up hard and we start to close up above this on the 5-minute time frame, then that's setting up kind of potential structure to go long here, right? So, but we came all the way down to open price 1800. Man, I've been in some heat. But this is what you get when you take preliminary entries. Like, you know, like this is what you get when you take an early entry, trying to get in early on something, right? This is a chance that you take here. So you go in low leverage, 1 micro, 2 micros, nothing too crazy. But yeah, this candle right here needs to push back up and at least close below this low back into this box. So we got 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Not looking good, my friend. Like I said, if we do close hard below all this, especially below this box here, then yeah, I will look for an up close candle here to continue and take these 4-hour lows. Just completely erase the FOMC move. And if that's the case, then I guess we don't want to get up there just yet. I guess we don't want to push up here just yet. This is a really, this right here is waiting, begging to get taken. Begging. Oh yeah, this thing is gonna close pretty gnarly below the open. We're gonna close this out. Take the L. Bam. 2 micros, $200. And now this thing is showing that we probably want to close below open price here. Now this is the clarity probably that we should have waited for here versus a pre-lam entry. So now, you gotta wait for some clarity here. We close, especially if we close below this box. Yeah. Push up here, bam, take this here. Okay. Now we know. But I think the boys are gonna be back soon. So I might have to close this thing out, but now you kinda have an idea of what I now would like to see happen here based off of this information that I have from 8 o'clock here. Yep, closing below open price, closing below this little protected area here. Let's look at this hourly time frame here. Probably gonna close this hourly busy. It's hourly busy, I think. Yes, beautiful. Close the hourly busy, so we'll push up potentially at 8 o'clock, maybe 9. So we'll close this down pretty gnarly bearish. 9 o'clock may open up and like come up back up in here into this range here. That's now I'll go for the short to go down here and take out these lows. Nice. Didn't hurt too bad. What was that? $200? $213. All right, that's all she wrote. Boy should be coming home soon. I'm gonna holler at you.